Hey guys, how are you? Whew. Oh, this looks beautiful. I have to share this. I jumped in. I was making my shoppable videos. Hence the cat harness that she loves. Shoes are drying out because I did some unexpected gardening yesterday. I want to share it with you. Come on, baby. She wants to show this off, actually. Come on. Come on. Show off your cat harness. Show off your cat harness, and then I'll show them the garden. I'll show you. Baby, show it off. Okay, this is the little pineapple cactus. She's new. Actually, he. Don't go near that. It's pretty sharp. This is her new harness that was gifted to her by a TikTok shop affiliate thing. And these are the plants. Hold on, the tripod's really big. Okay. All right. Hello. I'm the Corin. How are you? Come here, baby. I want to show you this. Come on. She did perfect for the shoppable video. She's never worn this cat harness before. So I wanted to show you guys my new plants. And I actually found them online for free. Remember I said I wanted to do a cactus? That's just the neighbor stuff over there. Don't mind that. Let me get a shot over here. Okay. How cute is she? She just noticed them. Because I planted these last night. So that one, as you know, that's the finished product. We moved it from over there. Oops. Okay, come over then. All right, so there's actually 8. There's these 2, which were an afterthought to put them here. Wait, she wants to go in the house. Baby, can I show them the plants? Come on, come over here. Perfect, see, she comes perfect. Because she's already leash broken. All right. So the ones. Honey, come here. I can't let go of you. Let me put her in the house and then I'll show you guys the others. Come here. Because she did good with her harness, as you could tell. Look at her. She goes right in the house. Okay. She said, can you take this thing? All right. All right, then stay right there. Because this video is going to be kind of short. I have to fix this. All right. Come here. Here. Just come with me. Okay. Okay, get down then. All right, now I have her. That's what a cat harness is for, right? So this is the third. This is the one I replanted the other day in the live video. This is the third plant that was gifted to me. I found them and I called and they said, well, come over and get any plants you want. You'll dig them up. So, oops. Come here, baby. Always has to cause a scene. She's the drama queen. All right, I have to finish my video and then you'll go. Perfect to have a harness like that when she's like annoying me at this time. So that's 3, 4. That's an aloe vera like this one, but it's kind of a different strain. All right, I'm putting you in the house. That's it. Give me a second. I gotta take this off too. There's like buckles and stuff. I know, you gotta unbuckle it all. Okay, go ahead. Go in the house. Good girl. All right, got it. Let's get back to the free gifted plants that I went and took a shovel and removed from somebody's house because they didn't want the plants. Because they have kids and they don't want the kids to go into the plants. Number, the 9 one I bought when I went to go get soil at the hardware store. But these are 4. And I know it's getting dark, but I think this lighting would show the accentuations on the beautiful light teal, green, mint green leaves. So that aloe is pretty cool. It's like taller than the one I already had. And that's a baby palm, which is cool because there's another one over here. Probably too dark to see now. I showed you guys the other day. It came up on its own. Actually, those two are more like this strain. And then the little pineapple cactus, I'm really happy about them. So, there's a beautiful sky and everyone has like Christmas lights. No watering today because I replanted those. I kind of replanted them because I got them from somebody's yard. They said, come get as many plants as you want. They were actually really big trees, but I would need more people to help me. So I'm glad I got what I got. The space is full now. Like this is all full. And that's, oh yeah, that needs something now. See, always something comes up and I love it. I'm here for it. All right. So I'll see you later. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah, thanks for subscribing. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go edit my shoppable videos now. How fun, huh? I accomplished everything I wanted to do. Say hi to you and do those videos, which was awesome. Can't wait to share them. See you then.